This video is to help kids with significant mouthing behaviors. Now, one strategy that I really love and have found some good success with is to develop a little kit or a little box that has items that are safe to mouth that the child can use and access whenever they feel an urge or tendency to put something in the mouth. So what you'd want to do is make sure that whatever is in your kit or your little box or even a little basket, whatever you want to choose to house the items in, resembles what the child tends to favor in terms of mouthing. So if your child tends to mouth items that tend to be hard in texture, you want to have things that resemble that and are also hard in texture. So what you're doing is finding items that are very similar in their physical composition, in their physical texture, putting them inside the kit. Again, it could be a box, it could be a little basket, it could be some kind of a cute little bag. But what you want to do is have some type of a portable, readily accessible kit that the child can use and take items to and from whenever they feel an urge and they need to alleviate the sensory seeking. So if you haven't tried this strategy, it might work. Click through the playlist. There are other types of strategies noted as well, and hopefully this or a combination will help to reduce the mouthing behavior.
Put them back up on the shelf. Just a little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out alive?